guys. Dang.
Was I working here?
You used to work here? Dang. Dang, and we came here where you worked. Dang.
Yeah.
I didn't know the beach city.
For 2 years.
Dang, you worked here?
In the neighborhood, not here. Not in the station. The neighborhood.
Somewhere around here. You used to work here for 2 years, but then you stopped because maybe your boss fired you, or you're not getting enough money, or you're just getting minimum wage. Because a lot of people will quit their job for getting minimum wage. Oh, guys. We're in the Northern area. Fourth.
This is going to 14th Street, Canal Street, Fulton Street. It's too much stuff.
What about this one?
And this is going to Coney Island. It's too much.
Dang. So I guess I'll take this one.
Yeah. This one.
So Broadway, so Queens.
Yeah, for Queens, Manhattan, and Broadway. Local.
So, what stop are we gonna get off at?
What stop do you want?
Like which train?
14th Street.
But what?
And we take other train, the train L, the 14th Street. It's fine.
Yeah, we can take that. Yeah, that can be damn freaking good. But the other train's a long stop too. Because the dang edge. Okay, it's so damn dark. Do you see this, guys? It's dark as hell. This is dang 8 damn minutes for the train to arrive. Dang. Okay, so we're just gonna dang work around the damn station. Guys, let's go in the front, guys. Or we can go in the back, I guess. Guys, what should you decide? How do they get diamond? I don't know why I'm doing this. Yeah, we're going to the front. Hennessy. On the front. Okay, let's see. The front has more. Well, which car has the less people? The back or the front?
How minutes is going to? 18 minutes.
There it goes. 18
It's a long
minutes.
time. Oh, 4 minutes. For real, that long? 4 minutes.
4 minutes, guys, for the dead train. And then you have to take like quite a long time. Dang, guys. Go down square, guys. This is like dang crazy, guys. And look at that. You can see the dang lights. I don't think. Okay. Alright, guys, look at that. So I'll probably E and the F stops. Down, but we don't go there. So where are we at? Where are we dang at? Court down square. Court square. Okay, the cop out. That's when we go to that queue. Then the queue. There was no dang I know. So we're at Court Street. To go to Metro. We go here to unit to we can take the N or the Q on the N. I'll say let's take the Q train to the stop.
This is not the car in your neighborhood. This is other the car.
Yeah, I know. It's right there in the car avenue. The bikes are like right there. Look at that. Guys, that's the oldest. That's like from the 1980s. The 1980s. This is from that was like the 1980s. First done thing. They were like put signs, say which train will arrive. I'm guessing that's still working probably. Okay. So we're at Court Street. We're gonna take the dang N. We're gonna take like the Q and the N. Well, okay. Oh, we gotta take the dang Q train, the Q, to the Q train, guys. The Q train will lead us to Unit Square. Okay, guys. So now again, guys, we can take the Q train to Unit Dang Square. And it doesn't work. Okay, but alright, guys. So this is where we're gonna go. We're gonna go here
Carter
to.
Street. This is Carter Street.
Yeah, we're Court
This
Street.
probably is Carter Street.
Yeah. So we're gonna take the Q, or the whatever trains arrive first. We're gonna take. But I saw the N and the Q stop at Unit Square, 42nd Street. So I think we're gonna take one of them. We gotta see which train is gonna get to the stop that we need to get. 4 damn minutes. And it's in 2 damn minutes. Or damn 3. Dance.
95? This is 95. This side is 95.
So like 95 Street, it goes up. So we're here. So I'm gonna take the N. We're gonna for like 2 damn stops on the R. Take the Q or the N, which will arrive first, because the Q and the N and the other ones that stop by Unit Square, 14th Street, that's where we might then get off, take the L train, and go back to Clark Avenue. And then take the dang we could take the dang M train to one stop, and then so the last thing I'm gonna do is take the M train. That's how I'm gonna end my video. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna end this video a bit early before 9 minutes. So please like to comment and tell me what to do more.